Previously, we did a moving average crossover strategy, which is an example of momentum strategy. In this video, we will demonstrate an example of mean reversion strategy using Bollinger Bands. Momentum and mean reversion strategies are the two main types of algorithmic trading strategies. The first few steps are similar to my previous video, so I will not repeat it over here. For fair comparison, we will again backtest on the same Microsoft dataset. We can define our own Bollinger Bands as a standard deviations from the simple moving average, as shown here, or we can also use the Bollinger Band function from the TA-lib libraries, as shown here. I've tried both of them and they give similar results. So this is a visualization of the Bollinger Band for a period of 20 days. Next, we compute the signals. We go for a short position when the adjusted close price is higher than the upper Bollinger Band, indicating the asset is overbought and the price is likely to drop. We go for a long position when the adjusted close price is lower than the lower Bollinger Band, indicating the asset is oversold and the price is likely to increase. This is primarily a long short strategy, and basically this is a buy low sell high strategy. Next, we compute the strategy returns and the entry points, similar to the previous video. Let's look at the strategy performance. From the plot, we could see the buy and sell signals was consistent with the strategy when the adjusted close price is above the upper Bollinger Band is a sell signal, and when the adjusted close price is below the bottom Bollinger Band is a buy signal. If we compare the strategy returns and the buy and hold returns, this strategy is showing a pretty bad performance with a Sharpe ratio of negative 0.11, which is close to 0, and a maximum drawdown of 97%. In general, as we said before, a long short strategy will perform worse than a long only strategy for a long trading period. This concludes the video on Bollinger Band strategy. The code for the video can be downloaded below. The video on moving average crossover are also referenced below. Let me know your view in the comments below. Thank you.